Hey guys, sorry it's been so long. I've been pretty busy and been moving around the country, but I just wanted to, it's not really a tip or a trick for se, but I've got a new invention in the pipeline and I wanted to bring it up to you guys, to be honest, because I'm thinking about letting you guys in as shareholders. This is pretty much a sales pitch. Once I give it to you, if you're interested, you can just DM me over here or you can actually direct message me up here. Either way, but my idea, this is gonna be a short video. So, I know that we're going through our phosphorus fuel sources at an incremental rate, and I'm worried about humanity and the preservation and the perseverance of our species as a culture. Well, when you're worried about something, what do? Do you complain about it? No, you don't. You don't complain about it, you do something about it, people. So what I've figured is, hey, what is a responsible resource that just continually generates and generates? Your fingernails. Let that sink in for a minute. So what if we could synthesize biomedically our fingernails and use that as a natural resource for fuel consumption? Think about that. So I mean, here I just have some simple fingernails, okay? You know, picked them off our brother yesterday, Bob Butterman. Simple as that, guys. So now that I've got those, if I get a couple thousand more and I can figure out how to chemically make them into a fuel source, I really believe that we could do something about the climate. Stay tuned, guys. I promise more tips and tricks videos. Just been pretty busy, okay? Just know that I have not forgotten about you guys. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. I love hearing comments from you guys. Be easy.
Oh, and before you guys go, I did want to mention, please hit that subscribe button so you can never miss an episode, because they're coming, I promise. Hit that subscribe button, guys.
One more thing, I got a new album coming out. It's probably going to drop this fall of 2018. I don't have a name for it yet. I'll probably only release probably a few thousand copies. So once that I got the date out, I'm gonna make sure that I let you guys know so that you can reserve your copy, because you guys are gonna get first dibs. So be on the lookout.